All right, this one asks us to solve by factoring, so we need to have this set equal to 0. So we need to subtract this 3 over to the other side. So what we're really factoring is 6x squared plus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, I would look to see if it had a GCF, and there is not a GCF between all three terms. And then I need to see if I have a leading coefficient or a number in front of the x squared, and this one I do, so I'm going to have to slide and divide. So I'm going to multiply, I'm going to slide the 6 to that negative. I'm really factoring x squared plus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. All right. So I need to find two numbers that multiply to negative 18 that add or subtract to give me 7. All right, let's try 9 and 2, and one of them is going to have to be negative, and that makes the positive 7 a true story. All right, so I have x plus 9 and x minus 2. All right, remember we are sliding and dividing, so now we need to divide each of these terms by the original number that was in front of x squared, which is a 6, so we're going to divide each of these by 6. Let's reduce first. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 6 2 times, and then 3 divided by 2 cannot divide into a nice, pretty, even whole number, so this 2 is going to slide into the front, making it 2x plus 3, and then we'll have to set that equal to 0. All right, taking a look at the second one, 2 divided by 6 is going to turn into minus 1/3, and then that 3 is going to slide over, making it 3x minus 1, and then we also have to set that equal to 0. All right, so let's solve for x by subtracting 3 to both sides, leaving us with 2x is equal to negative 3, divide both sides by 2, x is equal to negative 3/2. And then over here, we're going to add 1 to both sides, leaving us with 3x is equal to 1, divide both sides by 3, and x is equal to 1/3. Those are our solutions.